Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another Forex trade idea. I hope you've all had a very good weekend and you all had a good week in the markets last week. In this video right here, I've got a very nice opportunity that I've literally just entered and thought you all might enjoy it and get some value out of seeing what I've seen in this particular setup. So the setup that we're talking about is this one here in the CAD franc. If we take a look at this, if we zoom out a little bit and go into the daily chart to start with, you can see that the CAD franc, although it is in an uptrend, as you can see here, really and truly, if we look at this price action, it is very consolidated, it is very congested, and we've recently just had a massive breakdown here of this previous structure level. So the structure level at 0.7500, this previous support area that we had here, the market has just broken through that and broken down to lower levels, and it's since pulled back from that level. So what that tells me is that we do have momentum to the downside, because for something like this to happen, you need a lot of sellers to push through big levels like this, and that's managed to occur. The market has since pulled back to that, and one of my favorite concepts, in trading is this whole concept of previous support can become resistance, and previous resistance can become support, because you see it play over and over and over again all over the charts, and different pairs, well, not just the FX markets, but the commodities markets, the equities markets. You see this everywhere, and for me it's one of the most powerful concepts, and that's what we have right here. We have the market reacting to this level, previous level of support over here, which is now acting as resistance. I jumped down to the 4-hour time frame, which is where I took my entry from. So I'm short from this level here at 0.750. Well, it says 0.7 there. I actually got in a little bit lower than that, at about 0.3-ish. And I'm looking for the market to come down to 0.7414. That's where I'll take the profits if the market gets down there. If it doesn't and it pulls back to this area here, then I'll be completely willing to take another second position up here at 0.7600. And then what I'll do is I'll then adjust my profit target. So I'm no longer looking at this low over here, this support area here. I'll then be looking at this support area at 0.7505. And what will essentially happen is that will then bring me out with a net profit across the different trades there. Okay, so I'm in this position right now. Hopefully it goes with me. If it does or it doesn't, I hope you manage to find some good value out of this. This is the point of these videos here, is really to kind of show you the trades that I'm taking whilst I'm taking them. So sort of at the hard right edge of the screen, as opposed to doing it way in advance, which is what we used to do with the Forex Focus. We found, or we thought, that you might find it more valuable to see actually when we take the trades and what it looks like, whether it works out or whether it doesn't. I think there's a lesson to be learned in both situations there. So thank you very much for watching, and if you've got any questions, please post a comment beneath the video. Otherwise, I will look forward to speaking to you in the next trade idea. Take care now.